Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set our page. To do it, you have to click on here. Then we have to select instance from here. Then we have to click on this box. Then type here 3.5. Then click on this box. Then type here 2. Then click on this box. Then type here 300. Then click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to select the shape tool from here. Then you have to right click on here. Then select the rectangle tool. Then you have to draw the shape in here. Then select the shape again. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take it over from this. Then press and hold the Shift key. Then increase the size of this. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to select this color. Then go to the layer panel. Then drag this under this layer. Then select this layer again, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then you have to click on the stroke. Then increase the size of the stroke. Then click on the OK. After that, you have to select the shape tool again. Then you have to draw the shape in here. Then click on the anchor point. Then right click on this, then click on the stroke. Then drag this in here. Then press and hold the Shift key, then increase the size of this. Then select this, then go to the layer panel. Then you have to double click on here. Then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Then you have to select the shape tool again, then draw the shape in here. Then you have to click on the anchor point, then right click on this, then click on the stroke. Then you have to select the shape tool again. Then you have to draw the shape in here. Then select the move tool. Then rotate this. Then drag this in here. Then select this layer again. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take it over from this. Then you have to double click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to drag this in here. Then press and hold the Shift key, then decrease the size of this. So now you have to select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here, then select this, then click on the color. Then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Then select this, then click on the color, then select this color. Then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then you have to rotate the color from here. After that, you have to click on the OK. Then you have to select this, then double click on here, then select the black color, then click on the OK. Then select this, then double click on here, then select the black color, then click on the OK. After that, you have to select this layer again, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the stroke. Then you have to click on here, then select the gradient from here. Then you have to click on here, then click on here, then click on the color. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select this, then click on the color. Then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. After that, you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then you have to select this layer, then double click on here, then select the black color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer again, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then right click on this layer again, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here, then click on the color. Then you have to select this color, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK. After that, you have to include icons and write the text in here. I am already the text, so I am pasting the text in here. After pasting the text, you have to select these layers, then lock these layers. Then you have to select these layers, then lock these layers. Then you have to set this text in here. After that, you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After After open the logo, you have to select the shape tool from here, then right click on here, then select the round shape. Then you have to press and hold the shift key, then draw the shape in here. Then you have to select this, then drag this in here. Then go to the layer panel, then drag this under these layers. Then you have to select this layer again, then press and hold Alt key, then take over from this. Then you have to double click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Then you have to drag this under this layer. Then you have to increase the size of this layer. Then select this layers, then drag this layers in here. Then select these, then double click on here, then you have to select this color, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. After set the logo, you have to write this text in here, then set this text in here. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here, then select all layers from here, then click on the backspace, then back to the project, then unlock all layers from here. Then you have to select all layers from here, then drag these layers in here. Then you have to set this business card in here. After set the business card, you have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.